Trying to roll into it, I guess.
Did you notice I kept in that?
Alright, so we're going to run the same test as we did the other day, just with a little bit longer tabs this time around. They just finished off on the 3D print, same as last time. And I've got some golf ball dimpled ones, exactly the same length. And yeah, we'll just bolt them on after we do this. No adjusters on this, so it could be interesting. It's quick. This thing, he's not focusing, but... Do we have another one? No? Okay.
Oh, I do have the 48 off of there, yeah.
We've just chucked a 48mm prop on there then. Just hopefully it'll be a bit more stable, easy to drive. These tabs do not adjust at all, so they're just fixed solid. Is it really?
I wasn't far out there.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Just trying to roll into it, I guess.
I did keep in that one the whole time.
I could tell.
I'll try and do one more pass.
Try and, yeah, go maybe that way a bit. Or do it on the way back. There's a big stick thing there. Right there. Alright.
Really?
Yeah.
These trim tabs have just got too much control on the boat, like just doing something.
The way it's working. Yeah. Oh well. Okay. What do we got here? That just did 95. 95. The other day we couldn't do that. It was really nosy the other day though.
I wonder if that happened in the crash.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it was still getting quicker as it was coming out of the water, as it like the prop was the last thing to come out. Yeah, 95 is pretty up there for this. So I will swap out the tabs now to the dimple ones. Let's see what we can do now. Right now. So. The wind is less. Yeah. Darty?
Oh no, the opposite. Oh, also lean that way.
Oh, right.
Funny feeling both. With these long trim tabs. Managed to save it.
Not often we get to say those words.
Did you notice I kept in that while it was...
No, I couldn't tell that one at all.
I don't know, it seems a lot more stable, but it might be the water condition.
Yeah.
It's like you can't flip it now.
I wouldn't say that.
I said it.
Oh, well.
Why? What happens when you say that, Rob?
Nothing.
It's a lot more controllable. I know it's a tiny bit smoother now.
Yeah. I guess every lap you're making it worse though, aren't you? You're not going to get it exactly as it was.
I get up in the air like that and it just lands and keeps going. I'm not backing out of it.
I can hear, yeah.
It seems different.
That was pretty loose at the end there, wasn't it? It was really up there. Well, let's see what we get. Probably leans so bad because it's got that one battery in it on the one side.
I reckon.
It's probably not doing
it's
it
not
any.
balanced very well.
Nah. Only 87, so it's slower.
It's slower, and
Yeah.
I guess that's why it's less stable, more stable.
More stable. But yeah, I made these ones a little bit different because, you know, not all golf balls are the same, so you got to try these things. But maybe the closer together thing was better the other day. Maybe the water was all it was the other day.
Yeah, maybe. We'll bring it out again on 3S next time, so,
Yeah,
we
so we
can
can just drive
hold it
it.
flat, no matter what.
Yep.
And then see what happens.
All right. Okay, so it's the next day, and the boat's still got the dimple tabs on it. The only difference is it's going to be on 3S, so hopefully we'll be able to just hold it flat out and get some even results. Nearly fell over then.
Why couldn't you have done it for the video?
That's if I went in between.
Yeah, it's still pretty fast on 3S, isn't it?
I was going to say, I hope you didn't turn it off because I might fall in. So,
Brock, if you were dedicated to the channel,
I'd
you
dive
would
in.
fall in.
Yeah, okay. Stop. So I did 72.
Fair enough. Okay,
Cool.
let's put the flat ones on and see what that does. You sure that's still a 3S battery in that thing, Brock? Oh, it's pretty quick.
Pretty good for 3S, isn't it?
Yeah.
Really close. Keep the GPS test for it.
Yep.
Okay, I did 72.
That's exactly
So
the
it's
same.
about the same, yeah. So it didn't make a difference. So,
Right. All right.
oh well.